is at full song. You can bet he's wide open to the gas, and something just catastrophic failure when it flames up like that.
Dale Jr. had a front row seat for that one.
You watch him right there. Yeah, if the car, when a car just shoots up the racetrack like that, obviously something.
Easy.
Oh, get a little tag on there. Boy, that.
Riding here with Greg Biffle.
Yeah, you see that bump right there.
Easy, just back it down. Easy, still coming at you. Easy. Good save. Keep coming. Caution out behind you, still outside. Nothing coming at you now, back off.
Back from a lap down, was running 11th.
Back it down, in the wall ahead of you. Stay right in the middle, hustle, you're clear. Clear, keep digging, 83 inside. One more inside, clear low, dig on through that.
That's a great job, right?
This moment for Kevin Harvick.
Four wide, still four. You all right, bud? Catch your breath, let us know. You have no help, Kevin. You pulled out with me. Dylan. I think. Yeah, really. Still down there. Barely down there. Inside.
That's still hard to tell if you got any help or not on that. You can see the car just jump a little bit loose there.
Much damage, talking about Matt Kenseth.
No,
Let's
he got stopped. He's going to have to get tires, but you see him, he gets hit right here, which sends him up.
Get down, inside.
Speed, you just don't really have a chance to catch him.
Looked like he just got sideways as soon as he went for third gear.
Yeah, that's a late shift right there, what I would think going into that corner. You generally want to do that just as you enter the corner. So I don't know if that could not have maybe got the RPMs matched up in it.
See, he just took a right-hand turn. Don't see any fluid coming out. I have a feeling it was probably a tire.
You can lose a right front tire for sure.
It was good, 52.49. Clear to the wall.
That could be this weekend.
Almost like he lost the front end.
Yeah,
correct.
That car.
Stay low, back up, stay left, go, watch your back. Stay left there, in between. All clear, go.
Got a little greedy. Yeah, make a little room there where there wasn't any, and a little contact sent him spinning the wrong way.
Good job, buddy, good job. Stay right there.
Still there. Inside lineable. Hold your line.
Max Pappas.
Great job, Max. Keep going.
When they get somebody close to their back bumper, that creates a situation they lose even more downforce. See just how quickly, we talked about this in the opening, how quickly it gets away from you. Even the very best. We saw it yesterday, Jimmy Johnson. We see it Clint Boyer in second place.
Jab the brake.
Dale Jr.
Well, that happens quick.
High, keep coming there. No caution yet. Keep coming. No. Clearing.
Side. Stay high there. Right front looking Stevie here. Stay high there. Caution's out, 2.
Thing just got out from under him.
Stay to the bottom, all good, all good. Caution's out. Come on, clear. Clear, he's in the fence.
Onboard.
So clear by 2 over the 40. We'll go low, blown tire, stay low, come on low, low.
Usually a left front.
Clear.
Get low, go. All clear.
22 following him. Easy, bottom, clear, low, clear.
Clunk, and spin. Back after this message and a word from your ABC station.
Side bumper. Clear the 9. Keep rolling here. Got it. Check up. Save us what you can here. Coming inside. You ready, guys? Outside. Quick hold behind the 39. Clear.
That's, that one right there. It's I think the 11 had a tire down after that contact with Vickers.
Yeah, it sure looked like that.
Hold the brake. Hold it. Let it roll if you want.
It's just so hard. We talked about this last night. It's again tonight. That there's just no grip on that front straightaway, and the worst position is the driver that's in that second spot.
Shove you here. Inside, 3 wide.
Hear the engine rev up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, he had the rear wheels open.
Yeah, he tried to get slowed up.
Hang on to that thing, baby, hang on. Caution's out.
These cars are
2 to the 40. Stay to the bottom. No caution yet.
Bush's view.
Yellow's going to be coming out.
It's on the front stretch.
Right there. I seen it. Right with you, 88. Right with you.
So those are some of the circumstances. Jamie is with Clint Boyer right now.
You're okay. He's on the bottom. He's spinning. He's going to come up. Gig.
Carl Edwards' view.
That's just kind of what happens at this racetrack. You think you're under control, but you hit one of those seams. Car takes.
Stay to the bottom, all the way to the bottom, to the wall.
Car just got loose as she tried to turn down in the corner.
Still lined up outside. 3 wide middle. Still 3 middle. You all right?
Kyle Busch.
Stay low, ease up here, get down. Keep coming.
I'm not sure if he got maybe. The drivers talked about it. They just didn't have.
Outside, flow top. On 42, inside. Lock her down. Spin ahead.
Over the years. Kyle trying to get what he can here.
Middle's covered. 3 wide top. 3 wide. Yellow's out. Be all right.
Really amazing how well the restraint systems work.
Okay. High, go high. You're going to come back up now. All right, good work.
Coming. We have the white.
End of it.
Big and 1. You got them spinning on the bottom. Check up big, check up big. Keep coming in the middle, 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 middle.
One of the things that happens on the short track is
he just got wrecked going into one, Matt.
The entry to the corner.
I could hear something right there. I heard that yesterday.
Yellow's out, yellow's out.
Definitely had a tire go down. I believe it was that left front.
Behind you coming hard. Hold your brake. Caution's out. Alright, it's in front of you there. Come on, high, come quick though. He's spin up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, clear. Stay to the top, top, outside 88, outside 88.
This race, he avoided disaster.
Inside. Two.
And
Hang on to that, baby. Hang on. Inside, inside. Keep rolling inside, inside.
As a driver, you just try to keep yourself out of these positions, but there's nothing you can do when you get hit in the left rear. Drive your tail off and hang on.